Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family with another vlog. You know what I mean? We're in Kenya. We are sure the better side of Africa. Today, family, we're having a authentic Jamaican. You know what I mean? We have vegetarian option to pan the brunch. So, you know what I mean, Jam Tours in association with One Love Africa and JamRock restaurant. We're putting on a Sunday brunch family in Kenya family, and you know what I mean, as you know, when Jam Tours and anything, we have to switch it up and mix it up, make everything unique up. So, you know what I mean, what I did, I come up with some other Jamaican some Jamaican menu or some Jamaican dishes family to present to you on a Sunday at JamRock restaurant. So that's what we're doing. It's the first brunch. Me and One Love Africa put it on family. So, you know what I mean, what you get in JamRock in the weekdays, now on Sunday, come and you try something new every week. And I mean, so, you know, when you travel internationally, you won't be so new to Jamaican food. You can say, I eat this in Kenya, man. You know what I mean? So that's the thing we want to create, family. So today I wait upon One Love Africa to come. So the money I want to come. Yeah, family. So today I wait upon One Love Africa. See me come here, dog. So you know what I mean. So let's roll, family. So as I was saying to you guys, it's a Jamaican brunch. Jamaican brunch at JamRock restaurant. You know what I mean, in association with One Love Africa and Jam Tours Africa family. So come out, family. You're gonna taste something new that you never tasted before. You know what I mean. So we want you to make you know that Jamaica food is not only rice and peas and chicken and jerk chicken and curry goat. There's other, and oxtail. There's other things, you know what I mean, that we prepare in Jamaica that is unique, and you only can get that taste in Jamaica. So right now we are bring that to your family. So, you know what I mean, if you don't pull up at this, you know, you're missing something if you ever know about Jamaica and you want to come taste the food. So first you taste the music, and second, you actually, you know what I mean, you want to taste the food, you know what I mean, and then thirdly, you might want to taste the men. You see what I'm talking about, family? Yo, One Love, come in, no? Yeah, family, so it's just a taste. You taste the music first, then you taste the food. You come and taste the food at JamRock, and then, you know what I mean, and then you come and taste the men. Well, not me, because I'm taking, you know what I mean. So One Love, we are say today I tell them about the thing in a dog.
The brunch?
The brunch.
You live a brunch up.
Brunch up and a lunch up.
No man, get a lunch up.
So me I tell them, say, yo, first them taste, them listen to the music.
Which is right.
Secondly, you want to come and taste the food.
Yeah.
And thirdly, you want a yard man.
No, thirdly.
What is thirdly?
Of a feel experience.
Yeah, feel experience of the real dancehall and reggae.
Yeah.
And
real
reggae,
vibes,
and reggae,
real energy.
Reggae someday. Reggae party.
And then take a man. Simple.
And then
what about Jamaica man there flow?
And then you fly go blood clean Jamaica.
Yeah man.
And then you tie the knot.
Right there.
And then baby a band.
No
and
life.
then house a bill.
Yeah,
and then car a buy. And then land a buy. And then apartment complex a pull up. And I put up.
So stages, step
yeah
by
man, stages in life. Yeah, family. So that's how the thing set, guys. So we're there and we have got JamRock now. Get ready for this brunch for you.
Yeah,
so like, share and comment on the video and go over One Love Africa channel. I'm the big chef, the head chef. You know what I mean?
Number one.
International chef in Kenya. And if you want to book him, cater an event, a lot of new things coming up, family. We're just building and building. You know what I mean?
We're building the community.
Yeah.
And you guys can be a part of the community. Just like, subscribe, and share, follow, and reach out to us at JamRock. And we can get you guys in our WhatsApp group. If you want to be in a WhatsApp group with all the Jamaicans so we can interact on vibes and share experience and ideas, come at JamRock. Reach out to us, we'll add you in our group.
Alright, family, continue enjoying this vlog. We are out. One love, to bless. We're not out, but we're just telling you that, you know what I mean? We want to make this vlog exciting, so let's go.
You said never let me go. You said never let me You said never let me go. 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 You said it never worked out fine. I watched it fall away. It slipped right through my fingers as I heard you say. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said
There's no time to be scared.
Yeah, family. So we just reached a JamRock, and we're actually matching things up right now, as you can see. No one is here, so we're gonna start this brunch right here and now. So tap in and come in, like, share, and comment on the video, family. We are out. Continue watching this vlog. Part 1, part 2 will come. Like, share, and comment on the video, family. Let me know your thoughts. We are out. Hey family, so we're there in the kitchen, and slow gonna make the sweet potato pudding. Everything is there. I make the watermelon juice. I vegan choice foods that come there for the natural and real and organic. Alkaline plant-based food. So we're there, and that. Health and wealth. So I'm gonna juice it up, and then maybe crack these coconut and pick them out, and do some small thing, to make the thing going. That's what I say, family. So we are make the sweet potato pudding, we are blend the watermelon. Let's go. Yeah, family, so Chef Ricardo from One Love Africa there, and I'm great at the thing them to start the sweet potato pudding, family. I have some coconut water there, so from the coconut them just bust them up. So yeah, family, so I'm there, I'm done cut up the coconut. One Love Africa, I deal with them over here, so for the sweet potato pudding. So we're gonna blend this up now to get the coconut juice. Yeah, family, so we're done with the coconut milk. We get a big bottle, and Chef Ricardo from One Love Africa there, and he mats up the potato pudding. How much you can get out of this? Like 2?
Maybe 2 or 1.
Yeah, I'm gonna start up the juicer right now. My wipe off here, so start up the juicer and start, blend up them things, juice up them things, so, let's go. Oven hot. How much degrees Celsius? Fahrenheit.
This? No, Celsius.
Celsius.
350.
350 Celsius. So let's go. Jam Tours Africa there and One Love Africa there. So like, share and come subscribe. And you know what I mean, we want to see your comment down below. You see me? We out. Yeah, family, watermelon. The watermelon look One Love. Fresh?
Look sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet. Let me taste and see.
Taste it.
Let me taste and see.
Alright, taste it. One Love Africa, taste the watermelon.
That's
So I eat it like a watermelon.
Yo,
Sweet.
Kenyan watermelon is sweet.
Yeah, nothing can beat.
The body, no, it's sweet.
Yeah, man. So,
Slice up piece in the kitchen.
yeah, family, you know, say when One Love Africa go market, we choose the best, nothing but the best, never let it rest. Yeah, family, so let's cut up this and juicy stuff. One Love Africa, we there every Sunday, the watermelon juice at JamRock restaurant. Yeah, family, so we there at JamRock. We just finished the watermelon juice with some lime and ginger. One Love Africa there, we're gonna mix it up and if we catch the flavor. Catch it right. Jam to mix the flavor for the pudding. Pudding nice. Like a pound of rice. So forward. One Love Africa and Jam Tours Africa brunch at JamRock this and every Sunday, family.
Come on.
So come check it out. You know what I mean? Pull up and show up. Come.
There you go, man. The kitchen. Yeah, you're for next time.
Yeah, family. So if you want to change your taste bud, you know what I mean, come at JamRock, come at the restaurant and be a taste bud a favor by changing the taste bud with the Jamaican flavor.
Treat yourself, friend.
Yeah.
Or
family.
treat a friend.
Yeah. Alright, family, let me match up this. I'm going to head back home. And you know what I mean? Then later we forward back. So, you know what I mean? The pudding out there on fire, rice and peas up on fire, everything there. Ready. And you can see the pudding. Slow and add the sauce to the pudding. But I think that this is moving faster than the one we have at home.
Yo, man, for a piece of oven.
Yeah. Burn a little, man.
No, man, just touch your burner, just touch.
Just touch.
Yeah, you want to fix it.
Yeah. Sauce him up. So no sauce with the meat.
Sauce you didn't eat.
Alright, family, let's go. Like, share, and comment. Yeah, family, so I'm there with my Jamaican sister. My real sister. So first brunch.
They ain't call to me.
And we switch up.
I think you're around there.
We switch up the
I thought you were around there. I never know say you're around there. So.
we switch up the Jamaican menu. And we there. One Love Africa did this up. Yeah, so One Love, you say I give me a no. Want something look like chickpea. We don't want a rice though. Some callaloo,
Crushed green plantain.
the soup, the drink, and what else?
Where's you want the soup starter?
Pot, yeah man, yeah.
And
Yeah.
so I'll give you the soup.
Yeah.
And I'll give you some plantain. You want plantain?
Yeah man, the mashed plantain.
I'll give you some plantain. And with that I'll get the curry goat, because that's a like.
Yeah.
You don't want a chicken?
Yeah?
You don't want chicken?
No, we don't want a chicken.
So I'll give the goat.
Yeah.
So the goat to the mashed plantain.
Yeah.
Some greens.
Mm-hmm.
And what else? That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, family, so there at JamRock for the Sunday brunch. You know what I mean? Where we switch up the menu at JamRock. I want you to pull up and show up, family. We're there. We enjoy. So, you know what I mean?